everyone, welcome to Franstorm. This is Richard once again from the Franstorm team, and today we're going to learn more about the contact section, how exactly the contact works. So without wasting any time, let's get into contacts. Here we have the contact section, the left hand side. Now we click on contacts. Now basically contacts are if you have any raw lead, you need to generate appointments out of it, and these are not leads, these are just a data, not qualified. So either you add them, if you're getting it from any source, you can create individually. While creating this, you need to just give a click on create contact and you need to fill this form. Now the end of the section is go back to contact, the import contacts. Now if your mostly contacts come in bulk, so if you want to try importing bulk, so what you need to do is you need to give a click on the import contacts. You'll come up to this page. Now once you land up in this page, you'll find at the right hand side download a sample file. So Franstorm doesn't take any data set, so you need to download their file and exactly match the data what they have on their system. So whatever fields you have to match it as per their fields. They have first name, last name, company, email, phone number, state, industry, LinkedIn profile, and the lead value. So you need your whatever data you buy, you need to come up under this field, and the one which you don't have, for an example, you don't have a state, you don't have industry, just leave it blank. You don't have to delete anything and just fill all these data. Once it's done, you need to save this data into a CSV format. There you go, CSV format, and that's how you do it. So I have already one saved. Let's try doing that. So I'll go on choose file. Let's see if I have data. So I just made one, and let's see comes import successfully. As you see, I have all the imports are done. So that is the way you should use the import section, and all your raw data will be here. Now basically this data you use for drip campaign. We have a drip campaign section here. On my next video, I'm going to explain you exactly how the drip campaign works through these contacts, how you can send bulk emails, and once you get a reply from it, you push them into the lead section. So I'm going to create a new video on that. So this video is only for how to import and get your raw data on the import section. So this is basically the import section, and like I said, if you want to create individually contact, you can just give a click on create, fill this up, fill the entire form, don't leave anything. If something you don't have, you can always leave, it's not mandatory. Once it's done, give a click on save, and an individual lead will come up like this. Now this basically brings leads individually and through import section. So this is exactly the Franstorm CRM mechanism works. I hope this video is helpful and you can do the import of contacts by yourself. And if you can't, I always say you can always drop a ticket and we can go on a live session and we can help you out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.